All right, my amazing astronomers. Now that we have seen our video to review, it's time to watch this teacher video to complete your STEMscopes test. First, one more time, let's review these important words. You will be seeing them on your test today. Day, say that with me, day. Day is the time between sunrise and sunset. During the day, the sun is in the sky. But what is the sun? Here it is. The sun is the star that the earth moves around. And the sun gives the earth energy. But now let's look on this side at night. Say that with me. Night. Wonderful. Night is the time between sunset and sunrise. So at night, the sun is not out. What is out during nighttime? You've got two clues here. First is the moon. The moon is the object that orbits the earth. And we see it in the night sky. The other thing we see in the night sky are stars, objects that make their own light and can be seen at night. Does the sun make its own light? Yes or no? Does the moon make its own light? Yes or no? Do the stars make their own light? Yes or no? You got it. Let's see, how do we complete our work today? Step 1 is getting to your STEMscopes. Where's STEMscopes? Like everything we use, it's in your class link. Check out my tablet to see how do you get to your STEMscopes. Here we go. I'm in class link. Dun, 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 dun. And look at this icon, STEMscopes. That's what we are looking for. So I'm going to arrow over. Still not here. Arrow over. Where is it hiding? In the folder labeled textbooks. Click on your textbooks folder. And here you'll find that same icon, STEMscopes. Click to open your STEMscopes. It already knows your name and login. And today we're doing our Objects in the Sky assessment. You'll see something under your assignments with a green check that says Post-Assessment, Objects in the Sky. Click to open your assessment. Click the blue link to open your assessment. And you've used these assessments in math. This is not new to you. But just to remind you, how can I hear the question read aloud to me? How can I make it bigger? You've got some buttons up here. This one makes your size a little smaller or a little bigger. And this one is to read to you. Here we go. I love when it reads to me. Click to turn on the voice, and then click to play this question.
When can a sunrise be seen? Night, evening, morning, afternoon.
It goes a little fast. I like to do it a second time.
When can a sunrise be seen? Night, evening, morning, afternoon.
When can the sunrise be seen? In the night? In the evening? In the morning? Or the afternoon? Pick your answer and move to the next question.
A student observed the stars and recorded what they looked like in the night sky over several nights. On which night did the student see the most stars? Night 1, night 2, night 3, night 4.
Check out the 4 pictures of the night sky and pick which night had the most stars.
The pictures show what the sky looked like in the morning and afternoon on the same day. How did the appearance of the sun change from morning to afternoon? The sun looks bigger, moves in the sky, shines brighter, is a different shape.
Look at the sun. We have 2 pictures and it has changed. Click your answer for how did that sun change from the morning to the afternoon. On to number 4.
A A student took a picture of the sky on 2 different days. Day 2 looks different from day 1 because of the appearance of the
What?
sun, moon, star clouds.
What happened from day 1 to day 2? Just pick your best answer. And you're on to your last question, number 5.
A student recorded observations of the moon every Monday for 4 weeks. How did the look of the moon change from week 1 to week 2? The moon looks smaller. More of the moon is lit. More of the moon is dark. The moon is harder to see.
From week 1 to week 2, how did the moon phase change? Take your time to pick your 5 best answers. I haven't filled mine in, so it will not let me go on to my next question. Make sure you have filled in all 5 answer choices. Make sure you click Save Your Work. And don't forget to turn in with this green button. Are you sure you want to submit? Yes, sir, STEMscopes. Okay, I want to submit. Once you have submitted your work, closed out STEMscopes, don't forget to come back to science and click Turn in your work for today. Wonderful job studying the moon, the sun, and the stars with me. Today, take your time. Show your teacher what you know. And we'll be studying something new in science next week. Adios, amigos. Have a happy weekend.